This is Honey the kitten, or cat, watching a bird video at 2x speed. I didn't set it to 2x speed. She pressed some buttons when she got up to the screen. I don't know, press the space bar or something. I guess she's really nearsighted. There we go. That's a good distance. I guess it's not, now that she's sitting back a bit. The limited electronics can't really capture such a wide variation in brightness. The screen is just this blinding source of light. And you can't see the cat very well at the same time, nor is she reacting that much anymore. It was funnier when her face was right up to the screen. You could see her going left and right and left and right. Those creatures appeared. I guess that's it then. There's not really much opportunity for this to be a great video anymore. There we go. Of course, if she keeps jumping up onto the keyboard, she might do something like pause the video or completely close it. No, I guess that was it. We're not going to get any more very interesting activity out of her, I think. What do you think, honey? You want to catch the little animals on the screen? Oh, now we get an advertisement. Sorry, kitty. There we go. It's so stupid that YouTube puts ads in videos that are meant for cats. Like what? The cat's gonna... Last time it was an Ozempic advertisement. Oh, so a cat's gonna go out and buy some Ozempic because they saw it in an advertisement on a video for cats? Alright, well, if her face isn't right up to the screen like before, it's not really that interesting, so I'll stop it here.